Hello, I'm LA DeVault. I'm going to show you how to customize your SVG to personalize it. This particular SVG I made, and it's on my website, and at the end of the video I'll show you how you can get it free. We're going to put a name in here, so I will click on the T for text. And I am just, let me capitalize it, going to put in church name. You could use a church name, you could use a youth group name, you could use anything you wanted to put in there, actually. In the flag area, there's room to customize this for a shirt or a car decal. Okay, we need to make the text here. We're going to go up here to the color block and change it to white so that we can see it on our design on the SVG and get it arranged like we want. I just used a basic Arial font. It's a system font. So it's in here. I just laid it in there. We will select both of these, both the text and the SVG, and then go down to the bottom right here and click on slice. And then we can pull out what we sliced out and delete those just by clicking on the red X. And now we have our personalized thing. And you could, like I said, name it First Church or your youth group or whatever service project you're doing. And now I will show you how you can make a mock-up of it. Okay, I've got a mock-up of a raglan shirt and of a car window here that I have uploaded. You can upload JPEGs to Cricut Design Space. If you didn't know that, you can do that so that you can create mock-ups. Okay, I'm going to duplicate my design. So go up to the top, duplicate that, and shrink it down so I can put it on the shirt. And I'm going to, let's make it the right size, and then I'm going to duplicate it again because I'm going to move one over here. Okay, you can see here how you can't read what it is down there. So what we're going to do is select both of these, both the design and the shirt, and do flatten. And flatten basically makes it so it's one object like a print image, and now you can read it. I will enlarge it here. So now if you wanted to show somebody the shirt you were making or what you wanted them to order, they could see. They could see it with their name in it or whatever. Okay, we're going to go over here to do a car decal. For decals, you'd use permanent vinyl. And we'll shrink it down. And car decals look best in white. It shows up best. It's more readable. Black and navy blue and darker colors just don't show up well. Because of the color of the windows are usually tinted or darker. So anyway, changed it to white. So right now it's looks not looking real good. So we're going to do like we did with the raglan here. We're going to select them both and flatten. And now we zoom in here. Sorry about that. You zoom in here and you can read and see your decal, what it would look like on a car. And that's it. It is that easy to make this design for your needs. And now I'm going to show you where to get this design, or the SVG. There will be a link at the bottom of the YouTube video. If you go to ladevoxstyle.com, I'll have a link to digital products. But anyway, if you end up on the home page, you just click the three bars here on the top right, and then the drop-down menu, the sidebar menu comes up, and digital products is what we're working with today. I have other products available for purchase, but for this tutorial, this is about the digital products. And I've had this about 3 months, the digital section. And right down here is the Team Jesus. And Team Jesus with a coupon code will be free with the purchase of any other digital product. And you can see right here the prices are all pretty reasonable. And also I have car decal application instructions unbranded if you sell car decals. This you would divide into 4. And it's blurry here on purpose so that people don't do screenshots. Anyway, and then t-shirt order forms unbranded if you have a business. But to get your free SVG, the free Team Jesus one, you would click on that and add it to cart. Oops. Looks like I didn't delete the last one I had. Okay, you add Team Jesus to cart, and then, oh, we need to update it. I kind of messed up there. Okay, you add your Team Jesus to cart, just one, and that's the price. And any other SVG you can pick. Any other SVG or the PDFs. Anything on the digital product page qualifies. So whatever else you wanted to do, I'm just showing this for demo. So you'd have at least 2 items in your cart from digital products, and one of them would be the Team Jesus. And then go to checkout. And over here in discount codes, I'll put the discount code in the description of the video. You would put in TJYT. That stands for Team Jesus YouTube, and apply. And then you see that you get your free SVG, and then the price just for the other one, and that's the total. So it's as easy as that. Now, let's see, we can go back here to Design Space. And that's it. You can, if you have questions, you can ask in the comments.